Hello developers, welcome to our channel Detailed Coding. In this tutorial I will show you how to create drag and drop image to your website with cool 3D animation like this. I already opened one folder inside my Visual Studio Code. Inside that I have one code in my HTML. Under that I have one title and one image source with empty source file. So let me show it in the browser first. So if you see here, we got this kind of image breaking. We need to fix that. Here I already written some of the basic CSS coding. Inside here code img if source equal to empty, then visibility hidden. So after doing this, you can able to see our title here, right? So now let's try to drag and drop one image. So if I try to drag and drop the image, it will open that image in new tab. This is the default behavior of browser. We need to override that behavior. So for that actually we need to use HTML5 drag and drop API. So before going into that part, let me create one variable for my code container, and I'm going to select my image equal to document.query selector img. So here I'm going to attach one event listener for my code. This event listener is drop. This drop event listener is coming from HTML5 drag and drop API. So, and I'm going to pass one callback function here. Inside this, let me add one log, console.log drop called. So now let's go to our browser. If I drag and drop the image here, this is supposed to be work, but it is not working. Let me show you why it is not working. HTML5 drag and drop. So here let me search drag zone. You see here the element must have both on over and on drop event handlers. Actually we added only on drop event handler. We haven't added any drag over event handlers. So we need to add that drag over here. Drag over. And we need to override default property. So in order to do that, e.prevent default. This will prevent the existing behavior of the browser. So I need to do that also here. So if I try to drag and drop the image now, so if you can see that this is working. Now we have overridden our default property. So now if I hover on this image, we need that 3D kind of animation here. So in order to do that, I will go to my CSS part. Here .code hover transform rotate x 60 degree, rotate z minus 45 degree, and we need to scale it little bit up. So scale 1.2. So let's see it in the browser. If I try to hover, you got this kind of 3D effect, right? So let's go further. Or I need to reduce my border opacity. So there's no direct way to do that. So I'm just changing the color here to px dashed gray, and we need to add some box shadow, background color, in on drop we need to get the image. In order to get the image, we are going to use let file reader equal to new file reader. This file reader helps us to read the file. File reader dot onload equal to, here we are going to pass one anonymous function img.src equal to file reader dot result, and under this we are going to attach file reader dot read as data URL. Here we are going to pass our image, that the image is coming from our event e dot data transfer files of 0. So now let's see. If I try to drag and drop the image, we got the image, but we need to push this image a little bit up. So in order to do that, let's go to my style.css, chord over img transform translate 3D x-axis 0, y-axis 0, and in the z-axis I need push little bit up. So if I try to hover, you see the difference, right? So on hover we need to hide this text. So in order to do that, dot chord over title opacity 0. So if I try to refresh and show it to you again, so on drag of this image, that animation is not happening. So we need to fix that. So in order to fix that, we are going to add two more listeners here. Chord dot add event listener, drag enter. This drag enter is called this drag enter is called once we dragged our image into this drop zone. This drop zone is nothing but our chord. So here I'm going to add one more additional class to our chord. So in order to do that, chord dot class list dot add dragging and add event listener drag leave. I'm going to remove my class list dot remove dragging. So in my CSS I need to add that also. Dot chord dot dragging, and also dot chord dot dragging. If I try to show it in the browser, on drag it is working, but on drop we need to remove our class. So in order to do that, on drop we have to do chord dot class list dot remove dragging. So if I try to do that once again, it is working. That's it about today's video. Hope you learned something new from this. As usual, just eat, go, sleep and repeat, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.